Hey guys, so let's talk about writing equations from word problems. So the key in all of these is you're almost always going to be asked to write an equation that represents the situation, and then there's a question that follows. Remember, all of our linear equations can be written in the form, for the ones we're looking at, y equals mx plus b. We just need to figure out what is the slope and what is the y-intercept. So in this example, Paola has $350 in her account. Every week she makes $220. Notice here we have a time. Every week she's making this much. That means it's something we keep adding. That's the slope, right? Every week she makes an additional 220. It's the rate at which her account is increasing. And then she already started with $350. So this is our equation. This is part A. It's saying write an equation to model how much money Y she has after X weeks. So X represents how many weeks have passed. Y will be how much money she makes. So if we want to figure out how much money does she have after 52 weeks, we just plug in 52 for our X. So in for X, we put 52. And if we use our calculator, we have 220 times 52 plus 350. We get $11,709. That's how much she'll have after 52 weeks. Another example. You have $3,750. Every month you spend, so every month you spend 210. If you spend money, you're losing money. So you started with 3,000. You're starting with 3,500. That's our y-intercept. But you spend from that 210. If you're spending, you're losing, so that's a negative number. So negative 210. You could think of it as this. 3,750 minus 210x. Now it's asking how much money do you have after 11 months? Again, so we know x is months here. We'll put in 11 in our function. So if we put that in a calculator, we will have $1,440. That's after 11 months of spending. Let's do one final example. This one, you are in Antarctica. The temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, but it falls 2 degrees every minute, and it falls. Falls means to go down, right? So you're decreasing, negative slope. So for our equation here, we start at 0 degrees, but we're going down 2 degrees, so that's -2 every minute. Again, y is your temperature, x is your minutes. So here, if we want to know what the temperature is after 52 minutes, here's our function. We put in 52 for x, and we get -104. That's our temperature after 52 minutes.